Hi guys, welcome to the Magical Art with Ananya. So today we are going to draw this easy picture and you can color it like this and or you can color it with some other colors. So let's quickly start. First you will draw one circle and you can draw another half circle or a full circle also to complete the eyes. And now we are going to draw the eyeballs and make designs inside the eyeballs. So till this much it is very easy to draw, and after this we are going to draw the face with a big U. See, it's so simple. Now let's add the smile and the blush. Now let's draw the body. You will draw two curved lines on two sides, join them with a straight line. The body is ready. Let's add the hands, write V and draw inverted lines. And for the left or right hand, both you have to do the same thing. For the leg, write W and complete the leg. See, it's just writing simple alphabets and drawing simple shapes. So this drawing is really easy. Sometimes I put up polls, so please vote on them so that I can get to know which pictures you want to see me draw in the next video. And what you need to do, you need to like, share, and subscribe the Magical Art with Ananya for more such content.